Hey everyone, my name's Carly Frank. I'm with Next Level Painting in a BNI chapter in Saskatoon called Prairie Prosperity. I'm also DC for another chapter and get a lot of questions. So this is going to be when your membership says, hey, you need to renew your application. You go, how do I do that? I'm going to show you exactly where you find the Renew Now on your BNI Connect. I will warn you, you have to go on BNI Connect in a desktop or a PC. You cannot do it from the app in your phone. So you will have to get onto a computer. Same login, everything, but you have to get onto a computer. So here's how to do it. Okay, first things first, you're going to want to go to bniconnectglobal.com. Don't worry about that login or message, just type in this and it'll bring you right here. Your login will be the same login as you use for your app. Same username, same password. Hit sign in. Once you sign in, this main area right along the front here, you need to click on this Renew Now button. And it's going to open up a separate window. And it takes you to here. So again, it fills it in just like you did when you first applied, but it has all your stuff pre-filled. If you take a look at your profession and you're listed under the wrong thing, this would be a great time to change it now. You're going to walk through membership terms and certifications, and then do a signature. It's very fast. I'm not going to do it now because obviously I don't want to renew my membership right at this moment. And that'll let your membership committee know that you have applied, that you would like to renew your membership, and then they should have either done a renewal interview with you already or will be planning one to make sure that the group still wants to renew you. And from there, then they can approve it on their end. And this is all you need to do. Once they approve it on their end, you should get a notification in an email saying, hey, you need to pay. And if your membership comes up, let's say on the 1st of May, if you do not pay that by May 15th, the system will boot you out. Your membership committee can't do anything about it. It will boot you out. So get on it and pay it as soon as you receive that email. And if you pay it past your due date, like if you pay it on May 12th and your membership was up on May 1st, you will be charged a late fee. So get on it, do it ahead of time. Hope that was helpful. I have a couple other videos I've done so far, and I'm going to continue doing. Every time I get asked questions, I'm going to make a video how to do it and keep posting them here. It's all being posted under our Prairie Prosperity BNI Gmail YouTube account so that we can keep all this information for future. So if that was helpful, please like it and check out the other videos.